All right, so it feels very balanced. It's not vibrating. Feels pretty comfortable. It looks good. Get a slow speed. Let me get a better idea what it's going to look like. Yeah, can't wait to try it out. I think we'll try it out tomorrow. Like I said, it's getting a little dark. So stay tuned and we'll see how well it works. All right, so just got this. Came in the small box, no instructions, but looking at it, it's very self-explanatory. I mean, I think anybody can figure this out. If you can't, you can go to their site, and I think it does have instructions on how to put this together. But we get 8 blades, so there'll be one on each side, one here and one here. This should fit right into the auto feed. After we take it off, after we take the round one off, this should fit right in, and we should have a bladed head. We have the blades that have the inserts, like a rivet that's already in there that will keep it from tearing through, you know, when it's hitting grass or whatever it's hitting. So that looks pretty well made. It is serrated. Okay, good flexibility. It doesn't appear to be that breakable. Now, I'm sure if you're going to be hitting rocks and concrete, it's going to. It's a good possibility that it will break, if not prematurely wear. So just, you know, that's common sense. Anyway, let's put this together. I'll set you up on a tripod so I can use 2 hands, and should just take a minute or 2. So in this bag, there's the 8 blades. There is nuts. Yeah, I think 4 nuts. And we've got these little screws. Allen head screw. And here's our Allen head wrench. So let's take the nut and drop that in place. All right, now put your thumb over it so it doesn't fall out. And then we're going to take the blade. See the flat part? We have the serrated part. And then the flat. Okay, where it says THETEN here, that's going to be going down towards the grass or the ground. So it'll be like that, and we're going to have the flat side going down as well. I'm going to take the flat side, slide it in here, then take one of the bolts or nut screws, just go like that, catch the nut with it. As you can see, the nut is going to stay positioned there. We want that to stay in there, so we'll keep our thumb over it, flip it over, take our wrench, and just tighten it in place. It's that simple. All the way down. All right, there we go. Okay, that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put the other side on. Starting to get dark here, so I'm hoping that the camera's gonna be able to film this pretty well. Sometimes when it starts to get dark, just even if I got a flash on, it just doesn't really capture the image very well. So there we go. That's a serrated part there. THETEN. Let's go ahead and put it on. Now let's take the AF100 trimmer head off. Let's push here, push here. There's a spring, so be very careful. Okay. Let's get our bladed head. THETEN, I guess that's how you pronounce it, bladed head. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nice. All right, we're ready to go. What I'll probably do is wait till tomorrow or the next, whenever we have the next nice day to trim, because it's starting to get dark here. We'll just do that. I think it'll be better. So anyway, there it is, looking awesome. It really is looking awesome. Can't wait to try it out. All right, stay tuned. We'll try it out later.